Southern California is feeling the heat, and the heat wave is tightening its grip on the region, bringing triple digits and increased fire risks.
Well, experts say this is only the beginning. Several small brush fires have already broken out in the past 24 hours, and with the intense heat, firefighters are bracing for more.
We have live team coverage on the heat wave and elevated fire danger, beginning with KTLA's Shelby Nelson live in Fontana. Shelby.
That's right. It is warm out here. I've been checking every hour, but nope, nothing has changed. Still 96 degrees out here in Fontana. But you know what? IE residents really know how to make do. We saw lots of them coming to the Aquatic Center in Fontana here to cool off. Splashing around is one way to beat the heat.
I will go in the cold water so I don't get burned.
And Kaya Nance has the right idea, cooling off at the Fontana Park Aquatic Center with her family.
Today's my dad's birthday, so we decided to come out here just to have fun.
I'm having an amazing time. I'm here with my family. It's no better feelings.
One of their favorites, the splash pad.
We offer recreational swim, we offer swim lessons, junior guard camp, and as of right now, we are open 7 days a week.
With lifeguards on duty at all times. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much fun are you having right now?
10. 10.
But outside of the center, parks like Patricia Murray Park in Fontana were a ghost town during the height of the heat. The National Weather Service issuing a heat advisory for much of the Inland Empire as temperatures soar, with some areas expecting triple digits in the coming days, and an excessive heat warning for areas like the high desert and mountains, including Big Bear and Lake Arrowhead. And as things heat up, so does the risk for wildfires.
When they say it's going to be 105, we would prefer that you not go out and try to disc a field. We would prefer that you not have barbecues in places that could potentially ignite a fire.
Firefighters have already been busy at work responding to several fires in recent weeks.
We anticipate probably over the next month or so seeing these same number of fires, but have them increasing in size.
Several outbuildings and vehicles were destroyed after the Ryder fire erupted in Mead Valley near Paris around 12:45.
Firefighters got on scene and had a fast-moving fire, ordered additional equipment, including aircraft.
By 2 in the afternoon, the forward rate of spread had been stopped, but the damage was done. And this is just the beginning. That heat advisory we talked about in parts of the IE is going to be in effect until next Monday. So make sure to hydrate yourself, drink lots of water, lots of fluids, and limit that outdoor activity during those peak heat hours. Reporting live from Fontana, I'm Shelby Nelson, KTLA 5 News.